Do you ever find yourself needing to compare two versions of an Excel spreadsheet? Meet PerfectXL Compare, an award-winning Excel comparison tool. It's simple as drag and drop. Not to mention, it's incredibly fast, with most comparisons done in under a second. Immediately, PerfectXL Compare gives you a summary, and just one click away, a worksheet overview. Our tool shows what's actually changed, not just what's different. For example, if you insert a column in a complex spreadsheet, you can end up with hundreds or thousands of differences, when in reality, only one thing has actually changed. Our software shows only those genuine changes. Of course, we do show the differences that are important for you, like formula changes. To top it all off, you can export these findings back to Excel, which makes it super easy to track and share the differences between two versions of a spreadsheet. Start using PerfectXL Compare today